population of close to 50 billion chickens in the world. It's an incredible number, hey Melody. But it just goes to show that to appreciate the significance of birds, we need to look no further than our own backyards. And a girl. As Melody and her chicks. The chicks are actually not even a year old still, but they're already as big as mum. Now, we have no native form of wild chicken here in Australia, but we still have one of the best diversities of bird life to be found anywhere in the world. There's actually over 800 types of birds that call this country home. And of those, just over 50 include our parrots. Now, for most Australians, it's as simple as a step into your own backyards to experience the beauty of these birds, which are all around us.
똑같은 이거 볼 수 있나? 빨리 저기에서 식사를 사볼까? 신기하다. 그러니까 저기까지 똑같은 저기 있어.
아, 그러네. 아무것도 딱
한 마리 지금.
아직 먹고 있어. 포카조차 남으시면
그러니까 그렇게 생각하나 봐 얘는. 꼼덩어리다.
Now, as we've been expanding our towns and our cities, we've been making a lot of changes to the landscape, and unfortunately, not all bird species